Hello folks, we got a job to do. We're going to change the front brake pads, a Citroen C4. What I am talking about this. It's my car has finished these. We going to the car. I'm going to be filming how we remove the strut mounts and how to compress the spring, all that kind of stuff. Right, as you can see, I've opened the engine. Now, the strut is somewhere in there. You know, we haven't removed the wheel yet. I hope you can see. This is the suspension here. This is the strut, they call it. So it's attached at the top there. And I'll show you also the attachments after removing the wheel. So with the Citroen, the way they did it is to get to the strut, the nut, you have to remove all this, including this. You have to remove all this, get space so that you can get to it. So you remove this, all these, and then I'll just put WD-40 on this so to remove it, and then remove all this. Back in the days, the strut was here, so you didn't need to remove this. It was just here. You just get the big spanner and screw it, remove the wheel, job done. But now with the new technology, they put it in there so that, you know. Right, I've removed this cover here. I removed the wiper as well. To remove the wiper, put WD-40 and try to wiggle it up and down. It comes out. This is the nut we are looking for. This is where the strut connects on these cars. Now you need an Allen key there to go in there, and I think this is number 21 mil spanner for this nut here. So I'm gonna spray WD-40 on it and remove it. I have one of these number 7 Allen key. I call them Allen keys. Maybe they're called something else. So this one is number 7. I got these from Halfords, okay? So that's the one that I'm using. I'm holding the other one with this. Actually, I'm with my helper here. Let me just call him. Helper, can you help me here, mate? Yeah. That's him. Hi, Mr. Helper. Again. Come on, hold the camera here. The wheel is out, and I've put the wheel in here just in case this fails. I don't have jack stands. I'm just a DIY. All right. Now this is the baby one to remove here. This is a strut. So we're going to remove 1, 2, 3. Then go up there to remove that nut. Then this thing will just fall off. All right. So these two and that one. Maybe my helper will hold the camera for me. Come on, helper. Alright, so this is loose. Now we're removing that nut at the top. Right, this one comes out, and then this one comes out. Then we go to the bottom to remove the strut. There it is. You just lift it like so, and then it pops out like that. Right, I'm going to compress spring. Now this is a very, very dangerous part to compress. Let's get it down on the floor. You have these, even though they are rusty, they can still do the job. There we are. Right, we have put the clamps on the spring, but because this is very, very dangerous, the spring is compressed, so it wants to push that way and that way. So I've put the straps as well, just in case something slips before I put back the nut and replace this. Then at least the straps will hold it. I know it's a bit, looks a bit messy. I trust the clamps, but just for safety purposes, I put these as well. All right, because I'm a DIY guy and I don't have special tools, but I want this to get done. And as you can see down there, you can see that this is badly damaged. So I'm going to remove that, remove the cap quickly, and then pop in the new one, putting this one on. There it is, folks. It's ready to go back in. Remove all the clamps and the straps. So I'm gonna put it back in, and then I'm going to the other side to remove the strut on the other side. To put back these things, it's exactly the opposite of taking them out. I don't think I have to make this video very, very long, showing how to put back these things. You take this, it goes back up there, you put that nut at the top, job done. The rest is the opposite of removal. Oh, forgot to mention, we're changing brakes as well. I've put that, the strut is connected, everything is finished. I actually nearly put the wheel back, so we changed the brake pads. And to change brake pads, it's simple. I've already made a video. You just put your screwdriver here. The reason you do this is there's a piston. When you press the brake, this piston pushes this way. So to change the brake pads, you need to push that piston backwards that way. And to do it simply is by just putting the screwdriver between the disc and the caliper. Then you just pull, then that piston goes backwards. You keep doing that. You keep pulling gently. It's going backwards. I don't know if you can see it. You can see. You look at this rubber here as I pull. You can see it's compressing. There's a piston going back. Okay. You keep doing it so that it completely go backward. It's fully compressed. Then you remove either this one or this one, this bolts, one of them. I prefer removing the one at the bottom, so just remove, and then this should flip upward like so. This is the piston we're pushing backwards. So here the parts. My goodness. That's called using the parts to the full. Absolutely finished. Wow. Amazing. They're really gone. Finished. So I'm gonna put new ones. Now I could change the discs, but I'm looking forward to changing this car. So I'm just gonna leave the disc like this for now. Well, changing it meaning stripping it and selling it parts by parts, because I'll be getting another Citroen like this one, because these are good cars, fuel economical. Okay guys, so we just put the parts. There's already a video about this, go check it out. I'll put the link at the bottom of this video. Bye bye.